Social work. Wala. Hindi ko alam.
Yung mga nag-asikaso ng mga matitigas na ulo na matanda, ganun. Tapos tumutulong sa mga nabusong bata. Social work po yung tumutulong sa mga nangangailangan siya pa. Parang DSWD po.
Hindi ko alam. Wala akong idea.
Mga nagtatrabaho sa DSWD. No idea.
Ulit po.
No idea. Basta ka sa barangay, tumulong sa mga tao, sa di barangay.
Social work is all about reaching out to the community. Work is work that's able to benefit the people.
People involved in social work are people who are giving their service towards the society.
It's about networking. Social work is doing things for the people around you.
Sa tingin ko, social work, kasi hindi naman may pagkakailan na may gap sa society ngayon. So, talagang divided yan. Parang sila kasi all in one. Alam nila kung paano deal sa kanila, alam nila kung anong gagawin doon. Tapos, sila yung mga tao na nagbe-bridge ng gap na yun.
Social work, ang alam ko sa social work, yung sa government, tapos they consider usually about financial and family problems.
Yun ba yung sa Relief Booth? DSWD?
Social work profession aims to help people develop their skills and abilities.
Social workers helps in improving human well-being.
Social work profession is concerned with the organization of social services which aims to facilitate and strengthen basic social relationships of persons.
Tumutulong sila sa paglutas ng kahirapan, pang-aabuso at kawalan ng trabaho.
The social work profession promotes social change, problem solving, and human relationships.
Identify and addressing any external issues that may impact on well-being or may create inequality, injustice, and discrimination.
Social work is a practice-based profession.
Social workers undertake roles in casework, counseling, advocacy, and community engagement.
Social work is a profession concerned with helping people to enhance their individual and collective well-being.
Pinaglalaban po nila ang pagbabago sa ating komunidad para sa ating ikauunlad.
Hindi lang kami pang DSWD. Pwede rin kami sa schools, sa medical setting, pwede rin kami sa court,
Pwede rin kami sa industrial setting. At sa non-government organizations.
worker ako. Ako din. Siyempre, ako din.
Pati siya.
Kami din.
Ako din!
Ako din! Pati siya! Ay, ako din, pati sakit. Social worker din ako.
Ikaw, may bala ka na rin ba mag-social work?